and starts his day with a cup of chai and a laptop. He's not commuting to an office. His office is that laptop. His clients are in New York, Berlin, and Singapore. Every month, he earns in US dollars. And every month, that money quietly flows into Pakistan's economy. He is one of the roughly 3 million freelancers across the country. Digital workers who design websites, edit videos, write copy, and code applications for clients all over the world. Despite bringing billions in export earnings, their story is rarely told. So today, let's talk about freelancers who quietly power Pakistan's digital economy. How they got here, how much they matter, and whether this quiet revolution can truly change the economic future of the country. Freelancing isn't a new phenomenon. The speed of its growth in Pakistan is. When global platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal exploded in popularity, Pakistani talent was quick to join. By the early 2020s, the country was consistently ranking among the top 5 fastest growing freelancers markets in the world. According to Pioneer's 2025 report, Pakistan's online service exports crossed 3.2 billion, driven by individual freelancers and small digital agencies. In Pakistanis, freelancing became a way to bypass slow job market and create opportunity directly, by skill, client by client. In a country where formal employment options are limited, the ability to earn from laptop turned into something profound, a gateway to independence. There is no single type of freelancer. Some are university students earning part-time income, others are mid-career professionals who left 9 to 5. You will find them in Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, but also in Faisalabad, Multan, and Peshawar, where cheap internet and smartphones open new doors. Government programs like DigiSkills have trained millions of young Pakistanis in digital work. Comms graduates alone have collectively earned over 1.6 billion through freelance work. Men still make up most of the workforce. Women's participation is steadily increasing. For many, freelancing offers flexibility to work from home. A game changer in a country, traditional work environment can be restrictive. Behind every account and every gig is a story of someone learning to build a life around digital opportunity. It is easy to understand the scale of freelancing until you realize the foreign exchange that it brings in. Freelancers collectively add hundreds of millions in yearly inflows. In some estimates, their combined earnings rival entire export sector. Because most clients pay in dollars, every successful project strengthens Pakistan's foreign reserves without the need for factories, ports, or shipments. It is a clean export that only requires internet, electricity, and trust. But there is a catch. Most of this income hasn't been passing through formal banking channels. Payments often flow through platforms like Payoneer or via informal networks, which means that official numbers underreport the true impact. In reality, Pakistan's invisible exporters might already be contributing far more than we think. However, behind these success stories are very real struggles. First, there is the issue of payments. Global platforms like PayPal still don't operate in Pakistan. Freelancers have to rely on middlemen, expensive conversions, or delayed transfers. For a dollar earner, getting paid is often harder than the actual work. Second issue is of connectivity. Each time the internet slows down or gets disrupted, freelancers lose clients instantly. In 2024, temporary internet shutdowns reportedly cost the IT sector millions of dollars in lost revenue. Third issue is of recognition. Most freelancers aren't registered businesses. They can't get loans, credit cards, or mortgages because their income is considered informal. They are earning foreign exchange, but they are invisible to the system that should support them. Here is the interesting part. Freelancing isn't just a job. Many, it has become the school of entrepreneurship. Freelancers have to learn how to pitch clients, manage deadlines, handle payments, and market their skills. The same skills that startup founders need. Many of the successful digital agencies began as small freelancer teams. Some are now developing their own products or offering services to regional clients. In a way, freelancing has become Pakistan's startup incubator. It is the talent pipeline that fuels the IT exports and the foundation of future digital products. It often begins with one person, one laptop, and one client overseas. Other countries have faced similar challenges. They have found ways to turn freelancing into a structured growth engine. Bangladesh, for example, built special banking policies for freelancers. Their government recognized freelancers as formal export category, making payments easier and data clearer. Vietnam nurtured coworking hubs and startup programs and grew out freelancer communities. Nigeria promoted local fintech solutions that made getting paid simple and transparent. These countries don't treat freelancing as informal work. They treat it as a digital trade. Imagine if Pakistan did the same, supported payments, data tracking, and professional development. The ecosystem would multiply its export potential overnight. Freelancing has already proven that Pakistani talent can compete globally. Now the challenge is scaling systems that make freelancing sustainable. This means better payment structures, faster internet and legal recognition, and tax clarity that supports rather than punishes digital earners. In the next few years, AI will be shaping the global digital landscape. Routine tasks will get automated. Freelancers who adapt, learning to use AI tools rather than competing against them, will be moving up the value chain. Today's freelancers can be tomorrow's founders, product designers, and SaaS entrepreneurs. They are already writing the story, line by line and code by code. They don't protest, they don't demand subsidies, they just log in and deliver. Every graphic designed, every campaign managed, and every app built, it is Pakistan quietly competing with the world. If the banks, the government, and the ecosystem catch up, freelancers could redefine how the economy works. Sometimes, the most powerful revolution happens in silence, one freelancer project at a time. If this look at Pakistan's digital economy got you thinking about where this trend might lead, you might want to check out our previous video. But Pakistanis don't know about SaaS. It dives into how freelancers can evolve into full-scale product developer. And if you find these stories valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That would help more people discover Pakistan's growing tech story.